Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. Up to news time, firefighters were still conducting cooling down operations at the Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company in St. Andrew more than 12 hours after fire broke out at the warehouse. It started shortly after 6 this morning and quickly engulfed the building. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has more.
Thick plumes of smoke, firefighters battling a fierce blaze. More arriving to help. 62 firemen came, but this was a lost battle. So the mission quickly turned to preventing damage to nearby buildings. The fire engulfed the Atlantic Hardware warehouse on Ashenheim Road. Up to news time, firefighters were still on location. But Assistant Commissioner Andrew Russell said there's no longer a threat.
At this time, the fire is under control. Cooling down operation has now started. Based on the intensity of the situation this morning, it will take some time for the building itself to be cooled. It's not a danger to any adjoining premises at this time. We still have 62 firefighters on location.
Earlier today, Divisional Head of the Kingston and St. Andrew Fire Department, Julian Buckley, said teams from neighboring St. Catherine had to be called in.
We have 4 firefighting units on location. 1 water tender, one of our units coming in from Spanish Town. We also have an ambulance here. Currently we are using 4 medium jets.
There were no reported injuries. It's the second fire in a little over a year at the hardware. Last September, the building suffered extensive damage in another blaze which also affected nearby buildings. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.